I'll write too. I don't know how many you take. It's fine.
There's cheesecake downstairs.
Mm. Are you with me?
I'm with you. Is it just the two of us again?
Yeah, I got a message from Alyssa saying that she wasn't going to make it tonight because of work.
Right. I saw that.
And I actually emailed Sister Withers about Emily just to see like if she dropped the class because I was looking through the Google Doc, or not the Google Doc, the Hangout group document that she has, and she's no longer in the group.
Oh.
So I'm wondering if she maybe dropped the class.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I haven't heard from her, which I thought was unusual.
Yeah.
You'll, like, post something or you'll hear. She was pretty good at being on top of it.
That's what I was thinking. So just so that we know that this is recording, and where did you have to press something?
I did. Yeah, there's a little button at the bottom of your screen that should say like start broadcast.
Yeah, I've done that.
So it's recording, and then when we're done, you'll push a button, I think, at the top somewhere that says end or stop broadcast.
Uh-huh. And it'll give a link.
Yeah, well, it'll upload it to YouTube.
Uh-huh. And grab the link.
Yeah, it took mine about 5 minutes or so on my computer, and then you could go in and the code is like right underneath.
Oh, cool. All right, well, we'll do that. Okay, so for this week, let me pull up my stuff. All right, so part 2. I found these pretty easy again. Did you have any questions? I really love that app that she gave us.
Oh, I know, huh?
So helpful.
Better than calculating everything. Yeah, I didn't have really any questions. I thought it was all pretty straightforward.
Yeah. Okay. Well, do you want to attempt the quiz then?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead. And she actually messaged me and she was like, "Did you accidentally take the quiz, or take quiz 5 instead of, or homework 5 instead of homework 4?" And I was like, "Yeah." So she's like, "Okay, well, if you want, I can reopen that for you." So.
Oh, that's nice. I think she's really nice.
Oh yeah, she's awesome. Like, I figured that it was my fault for opening it, and that she'd be like, "Well, you should have known," but no, she's actually pretty cool. So.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm in group meeting. Lesson 5.
Well, let me make sure I'm at the same place.
Okay.
Okay. So
calculator already?
Wait, is it gonna let me do it? I opened it just a minute ago. Okay, here we go. And then I have to save it, and it wasn't letting me start. But I think it's gonna let me start now. Perfect. Got it.
You ready? Okay, I'm clicking start.
Okay.
All right. Yes, I want to start. Okay, let's see. All right. So, question 1. True. Okay, the total area under a density curve must equal 1?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis. Nope. All right. A normal density curve is symmetric. True?
Yep. And bell-shaped, yeah.
Yes, bell-shaped. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so 6. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in this image? Would it be A?
On mine it's C.
On yours it C? Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, you're right. I was looking at the wrong thing. Yes, the 1.000.
Right.
Yeah,
Yep.
okay. C. Okay. And 7. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable z will be greater than 1? Is that B?
Yep.
Okay. According to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what proportion of the data from the bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean?
That's 68.
68, yep.
Yay, so far so
I
good.
know, I feel way different about this one than I did yet on Tuesday.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
That was kind of brutal. Okay, suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? So we put in 1, and, okay, -1 and 1. Give your answer as a decimal. Okay, so did you get 0.3173?
No.
No.
Well, I
Oh,
did, but
hold on.
it needs to be between one.
And -1. Okay, so let me change my shading.
Yeah, it needs to go in the middle only, right?
Right, right. Okay, so it's 0.6827. Is that
Yep.
what you, okay.
So 0.682, right?
Mm-hmm. Or would it be 3? Because the last numbers are 7.
I don't know. What does it say? It says accurate to 3 decimal. Does it want us to round?
Oh, I guess not then.
Let's just do it just the way it is.
Yeah.
If we get
So,
marked down for that, I'm gonna send another email.
yeah.
Every line,
That's misleading. Okay, so 0.682.
say to round, it just says accurate to 3. So let's just do 0.682.
Okay, deal. Okay, question 10. Suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer the question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between 2 and -2?
Okay.
Change it. -2 and 2. Okay. And then,
9.4.
yeah, 9.954.
Yep.
Okay.
Is that where you got to?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so normal distribution, use the applet. What proportion of values from this random variable will be between -3 and 3? -3. 0.997.
Look what this is doing. 0.68, 0.95, 0.99.
I know. It's showing us the 95.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that was 0.997. What does that say? Yeah. Okay. All right, 12. Look carefully at your answers. Oh, hey, you just pointed this out. You're so smart. What do you observe? The values match the 68, 95, 99, 99.7 rule. So
Yep.
the last one. Okay.
Well, mine's not the last one, but yeah, mine's in the middle.
Yours is in the middle. Okay, but it's the 68, 95.
Right.
Okay, cool. Okay, the amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed In the population of the U.S., the protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. Okay. The population mean protein requirements for adults is 0.66, and the population standard deviation is 0.07. Use the information to answer the questions 14 to 17. What about 13? Okay. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? Give your answers. Okay, so let me get out my paper and pen. No, she's having us do a problem. Okay. All right, so the mean value is 0.66 and the standard deviation is 0.07. Okay, so we should find the z-score.
Yeah, so 0.60 minus
0.60 minus 0.66 divided by
0.07.
0.07. Okay. So negative 0.06.
You are fast on that.
Oh.
Wait, what did you get?
No. That wasn't my answer. That was
I didn't.
No. Okay, so I got negative 0.857.
Yep, that's what I have too.
Is that what you have? Okay, great. No, she said 3 and accurate, so we're not going to change it. So negative 0.857.
Wait. Because that's the z-score.
Oh, right.
So now we need to put it in the applet, right?
Right. Negative. Okay, and they asked for
My computer's
less than.
Let's see. Oh, can you hear my computer? It doesn't want to
I
let me.
can. Oh.
I wonder why. No, that's not nice.
I heard that. It's okay. We've been breezing through this, so something was bound to happen.
I know, huh? Let me just try it in a different window. I have a lot of windows open because I'm working on another class, and so maybe
Yeah.
I have too many windows open.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. So we just, let's see. Well, it won't let me do it. Okay, let me see what I can do here. I wonder why. I haven't had a problem all day.
Are you using Internet Explorer or Chrome?
Well, I'm on Firefox.
Oh, you have a Mac?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can go into Chrome because I have that virtual PC window, but it'll take me a long time.
Okay. Maybe I can share my screen. Ooh, screen.
Wait, let me pull it up on my phone.
Okay, yeah, that'll work.
I'll do that. Okay. So then I'm going to shade.
It says less than 0.60.
So we would go left of the z-score negative 0.857, right?
Yeah, and just that one.
Right, so then that would be 0.95, 0.195, sorry.
Yes. Yeah, 195.
Okay.
Okay. And then the next one says protein requirement that is more. So we will only shade the one to the right. And it's the same. That's what I'm getting.
Well,
That can't be right.
no, that can't be right. So what proportion of the population more? So wouldn't we shade? Let me think for a second. My brain not working. So if we want to go more than this, we would.
Mm-hmm.
To do less, we did everything to the left. We want it. Would it be everything to the
So
others?
the middle included?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that look right?
I'm thinking so. So with question, it's part C of question 7.
Let's see.
That's kind of what I'm referencing, and I'm wondering if we need to change our other one.
Well, that's percentiles, right? Let's see. Of 7. I see what you're saying. What's the probability? Well, yeah, that's everything left. So it's less than, right? So that's everything left of the Z-score.
Right.
So in this case, the Z-score was positive on that 7C, but ours
Mm-hmm.
was negative, but we still would need to do everything left of it.
Right. I'm sorry. What you were saying before about shading the middle portion and the right is correct
Oh, okay.
because of our Z score. I believe.
That's what I think. If it's
Okay.
more, right?
Yeah, that's what I would think because our Z score we got was a -1, so we'd
Right,
want it from that one to the yeah.
right. So
So that was
804,
a complicated way of me saying I agree.
exactly.
So I got 0.804.
That's what I got too.
Okay. For number 14. Okay, so now what is the proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.70? So now we're going to be doing some of those. 0.70 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. So now we're going to have a positive answer.
Okay, you. Okay, so then that has to go. I wish this applet here would work.
Okay, so what were the numbers you got? Did you get 0.571?
Yeah.
Okay, and then put it in applet. 0.571.
So 0.284, is that what you got?
0.284, yeah, and that's for, oh, we want less than, so let me do the less than. So then we'd want everything, so the middle and the
Over
everything
to.
on the left.
Yeah.
So, okay, so my z-score is 0.571. I'm
Yeah.
getting area as being 0.716.
Okay, so let me see. To make sure I'm shaded right.
Yeah,
So we're doing everything to the left of 0.71, the middle and the small section.
yes,
So 0.716.
yeah,
Okay.
as the area.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Now it's beeping at me for this.
Aw.
This is on my. I'm gonna have to write this down. I don't know what is going on. This is on the quiz.
The quiz is doing that?
Yes. Why?
Wow.
It's not nice. Oh man.
Interesting.
Okay. Well, I'll just write that down. Number 15. Point.
Mm-hmm. 0.716.
At least we're at the end, right?
Yeah, seriously, we've got one more.
Okay.
All right. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement between zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.7. It says, remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score to calculate, and then subtract the smaller area from larger area. Okay, so
we already have the z-scores for these.
right, which they were negative 0.857 and then 0.571.
Right.
So does your applet so your applet works?
Well, I have my applet on my phone, so
Okay.
yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
I just can't enter the answer into here yet.
Okay. I'll put, so we have the 0.571 in. So shade everything to the left and to the right.
Is it the left and the right?
I thought that's what it said. Let me read it again. Remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate. Okay, so just the left, you're right. Okay, just the left. All right, so I'm getting 0.284 on the 0.571 as the z-score.
2, 8. I have 0.7160. Let me see.
Let me check.
So you have a positive 0.5714.
Yeah, that I had a number wrong. Yes, it is 0.716.
Okay.
Okay, and then for the z-score, negative 0.857. What the? Okay. It's saying everything to the left.
To the left, yeah.
Okay, so I'm getting it 0.195.
Yeah, I have the same thing.
Okay.
So then we just subtract the small number from the large number, right? And that should give it to us.
Uh-huh.
It says
0.195 minus 0.716. So I got a negative 0.521.
No, it can't be negative. Let me do it. Let me see. So we have 0.8. Oh no, I'm doing the wrong number. Maybe that's what it was. 0.716 minus 0.9195. I have 0.51. Is that what you have?
So you did 0.716 minus 0.195?
Yep.
And you got
0.52. Oh, I erased it. 0.521.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I got. Ooh, I only heard you say the one part, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I that off? Okay.
Let me see if it'll let me. No, it won't. Shoot. I wonder if it'll let me save.
Yeah, it should. Is it just that it won't let you type anything in?
Yeah, every time I try to type, it tells me no. But I did
try
to save it, and so now I'll try to open it back up again.
And maybe try closing the applet now that we're done.
Okay.
Using it.
Continue. Anyway, I can submit it later, but so we got 0.521. Yeah, it's really slow.
Oh, it's okay. So do you have the answer for 15? I will submit it. I just didn't want to submit it before you had the answers.
Yeah, won't let me do it. I have the answers. I only needed 15 and 16. So I have 0.521 for 16 and 0.716 for 15.
Awesome.
Right.
We got 100! Yeah!
I love 100s.
Yes, me too. That's what I like to see. Okay.
Fabulous.
Well, huh?
I said that's fabulous. So we're
Yeah.
all yay.
Yay, good job. Okay. So that concludes tonight. If it's just us, and Alyssa too, but 9 o'clock in the evening, it's all right for me because I work, but if meeting earlier for you is better, let me know because I can be flexible.
Well, this time is good for me because my kids are usually in bed. Um,
Uh-huh.
well, not the oldest one, but she's old enough to put herself in bed. But my husband is out of town this week, so it has been tricky, but
Uh-huh.
usually it's okay. So
Okay.
works for you. I can be flexible too, so if something comes up, just let me
Okay.
know.
Awesome. All right. Well, let me go back. I had exited the screen so I could use the applet. I'm trying to get back. Let's go live. I hope nobody ever watches these on YouTube.
I know.
Just think about how terrible this is. Okay. Well, I guess you can go ahead and leave. Where is the stop? Awesome. All right. Well, okay, there's the end.
Yeah.
Exited the screen so I could use the applet. I'm trying to get back. Let's go live.
So yeah, when you end it, it should just
Yes. There wasn't an end button.
or was there stop broadcast or
You know, when I started, there was a stop broadcast, and then now there's not. Let's see. Want me to showcase? What in the world? But it's showing me like the YouTube video that they're gonna post. So
so that's good then.
yeah. So
So you
it did.
get like the code off of YouTube. You know where they have all the different options to share.
Uh-huh.
I think I might have had to click on the share and then it gives you the code and then you can just copy and paste it.
Okay, cool. All right then. I'm gonna pull see you next Tuesday.
Have a good weekend.
Yes, you too. Bye.